Finding the best employees through a giant pool of candidates can be a near impossible task, especially when you can't really get to know someone with just 2 documents alone. Instead of struggling to sift through endless resumes, get straight to the essence of a candidate by using the video hiring tool Introview. Introview is a streamlined and efficient workflow for getting to the perfect candidate fast for your job opening, scholarship, grant, and so much more. Let's start the hiring search by creating a new post. Here you can record or upload a video of yourself discussing the job description, desired qualifications, what type of person you are looking for, and more. Each video on Introview is limited to 90 seconds to cut the fluff for both hiring teams and candidates. After you're satisfied with your take, upload it to pick your cover image and to trim off any dead air. You can also add any additional information such as the title of your post, location of the job, company name, and a description of the video. After submitting, your post will be ready to view and share. Clicking into your post gives us an abundance of further options. You can change the visibility of your post or pause or archive it. Even more useful tools are hidden behind these 3 dots. Edit your post, share it with candidates, and add other members of your hiring team to take part in the Introview hiring process. Once you perfect your listing, take a minute to build a profile video. Conversely, this will function as a way for candidates to get to know you, your organization's culture, and judge whether they would be a perfect match. As applications start to pour in, click on the Activities tool on the left side to view all inbound videos. Here you can quickly read an AI-generated summary of their video, watch their response, bookmark candidates that stick out to you, or share comments that only members invited to the hiring team can see. Back on the Activities tab, you can also manage your outbound listings and reply to candidates. Clicking into the options of each video allows additional sharing methods externally, along with internal sharing with candidates and other hiring team members. Have 20 candidates, all with 2 or 3 responses apiece? Head over to the People tab to have a more simple view of all individuals who have interacted with your posts and bookmark those that stick out. The Post tab is a great place to have a condensed view of all the chains you are involved in. Lastly, making our way to the Bookmark tab, we will find all previous posts, people, and replies we have saved throughout our time using Introview. Every feature of Introview is simple, clear, and you can master the platform in mere seconds. Save time and weed out the riffraff. Try Introview for hiring or for landing your next dream job today.